Yo, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer Ethereum into rndr token. Now first of all, as usual, please open the CoinMarketCap or one of the price tracking websites that you know. For me, I'm using CoinMarketCap because it is safe, it avoids scammers and defend me from getting scammed, okay? And yeah, I suggest that you are using it as well. Now we go to the search bar, we write render, it is rndr, and yes, this is one that we need. Now all we need is the price track, the contract address, but there is a bunch of more informations as well. That's what I like about this website. So yeah guys, please use it. And now let's go and copy the address by clicking on this icon. It is copied now. Now we go to the second step, which is opening the Uniswap protocol. It is uniswap.org, and we click now on the launch app, which is opens that Uniswap interface that will help us in the process. All right, now we click on the connect button that will show up for you guys. My wallet is already connected, and for those who doesn't have MetaMask, you can use whatever you have and whatever wallet you are comfortable using it. Okay, you have like MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet, Formatic, and Portis. Now for this video are using MetaMask, and for those who want to download it, you can go at metamask.io and download now. You can download it on every single browser. All right, now we go back, click on our wallet to make sure that you are on Ethereum network on both the wallet and the websites. As you can see, we are on Ethereum network, and custom token, we add the token, import tokens. Right, okay, now we can see it on our wallet. Now we add it to the interface by clicking on select the token, paste the address again, and import. Now as you can see guys, we can transfer between Ethereum into rndr or render, and from render into Ethereum by just clicking on this arrow. Now so that was it guys. If you like the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos in the future. See you guys, bye bye.